Hey, it's Mark Hockman from PC World, and we're here at the Qualcomm Snapdragon Technology Summit here in Maui. We're looking at the slo-mo aspects of the Snapdragon. So we're told that actually what this chip does is it actually looks for the fastest motion in the frame, and then can slow it down to...
You got me walking in.
I got you walking in.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, anyways, that would normally be a golf swing, but here, what the camera thinks is interesting is actually the golfer's approach. Oh, here we go. Let's see if it'll actually work. There we are. It actually is highlighting what's interesting. Focuses the backswing. What's the what are we looking at in terms of
1080p 240?
1080p 240. So this is 1080p video, 240 frames a second. That looks quite nice. So it'll go all the way up to 960 frames per second, but down to 720p. So again, one of the cooler features of the Snapdragon 865 here at the Qualcomm Snapdragon Technology Summit here in Maui. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for PC World for more.